Next week, model and actress Pamela Anderson will return to screens with a raw and candid Netflix documentary detailing key moments from her life. As well as her own troubled upbringing, Pamela has also lifted the lid on how she raised her two sons, Brandon Lee and Dylan Lee. Pamela Anderson became a household name during the late 80s after she landed a starring role in Baywatch. As well as embarking on a modeling career, her relationship with Motley Crue drummer Tommy Lee pushed her further into the spotlight. During their marriage, she gave birth to Brandon Lee in 1996 and then to her second child, Dylan Lee, the following year. Although her personal life, including her parenting skills, often made tabloid news, Pamela has invited the public into the intimate aspects of her life, for the first time ever. In her upcoming documentary, Pamela, A Love Story, the 55-year-old has given fans a rare insight into her past with photos and videos. Fans gained a sneak peek into her life with the release of never-before-seen photos. This included a snap of herself as a child and another candid picture of Pamela cuddling her young son. Ahead of the premiere, showrunners Jessica Hargrave and Ryan White spoke on what fans can expect from the documentary. Ryan teased, "There's so much more to Pamela than that one chapter in her life. She's a dedicated philanthropist and animal rights activist, which you cover in your film, but I think one aspect that people will be especially delighted to see is that she's also a really great mom." Jessica agreed, "Yes. I was always curious to know about her relationship with her kids outside of what the tabloids were saying. It's clear that Brandon and Dylan just love her. I hope that my kids feel that way about me in their 20s. Jessica continued, "She really prioritized those kids, and as a mom that's something I really appreciated seeing. Sometimes as a parent you feel guilty about prioritizing your kids, leaving work early or whatnot to be there for them. But Pamela Anderson doesn't apologize. She always asserted that her kids were her priority, and she's done that throughout her career." Fans will also learn Pamela's eldest son, Dylan, worked closely with his mother during the makings of the documentary, as he is also credited as a producer. The 26-year-old shared a touching tribute to the filmmakers as he thanked them for their work on the documentary. He stated, "I'm proud that people will finally get a glimpse into my mother's truth with this film. I hope they'll see in the end that behind this caricature that everyone's loved over the years, there is actually a very real, very lovable, caring, sensitive person who deserves to be protected, cherished, and celebrated." Dylan continued, "In the end, we put together a pretty special team. Ryan is effortlessly talented, and Julia and Jessica have been so incredibly patient with me and helped me learn so much along the way. I couldn't have asked for better partners on this. I am truly honored to have worked with such talented and professional people." Pamela, A Love Story premieres on Netflix on Tuesday, January 31st.